When you hear artificial intelligence, you probably think of sci-fi movies and futuristic robots, right? Well, what if I told you AI is already in your house and on your phone and even helping you out at school? Today, we're going to pull back the curtain and find all the hidden AI that's working behind the scenes to make your life just a little bit easier. Let's dive in.
And just so we're all on the same page, this is Chapter 3 of the 10-chapter course, An Introduction to Artificial Intelligence for students ages 12 to 15, which is put together by Virtualization Options LLC.
Okay, I want you to do something for me. Just for a second, look around the room you're in right now. Do you see any AI? You're probably thinking, nope, not really. But I am willing to bet the answer is a big, flashing yes. See, AI isn't just about walking, talking robots. It's quietly built into the stuff you use every single day.
And to prove it, we're going to go on a quick tour. Think of it like a scavenger hunt for AI. We've got two main stops on our list, your home and then your school. You might be surprised at just how smart your world has already become.
All right, first stop, your home. Now, the really cool thing about the AI here is that it doesn't just, follow commands. It actually learns your lifestyle. These gadgets are designed to adapt to your habits, making everything more comfortable and way more efficient.
So let's start with a classic, a smart speaker like an Alexa or Google Home. When you ask it to play your favorite song, the AI is doing a couple of things. First, it's figuring out the words you just said. But second, and this is the really smart part, it's learning your tastes over time. It gets better at recognizing your voice, and it starts to know exactly what you mean by Play My Pump Up playlist. It's basically a personal DJ that's always learning what you like.
Okay, next up, smart thermostats. These things are a perfect example of AI working quietly in the background. They learn your family schedule, like when everyone leaves for school and work and when you all get back home. Then it adjusts the temperature all by itself. And the best part? It saves energy and saves your family money, all without you having to touch a thing. It's pretty amazing.
And for our last stop at home, let's talk security. You know how older cameras used to send you an alert every time a leaf blew by? So annoying. Well, AI-powered cameras are way smarter. They can actually tell the difference between a person, your pet, and a car. Some can even learn to recognize faces, so instead of a scary alarm, you just get a nice little notification that says, "Hey, your mom's home."
Okay, we've seen how AI makes your home life a little easier. Now let's head to our second stop, school. This is where AI is becoming a seriously powerful tool. It's not just about convenience anymore. It can actually help you learn better and, believe it or not, write a whole lot faster.
We've all been there, right? You're staring at a blank screen, that little cursor just blinking at you, totally stuck on an essay. Or maybe you get a paperback and it's covered in red ink. Well, this is where AI writing tools are a total game changer. They don't just fix your spelling. They can suggest better ways to phrase a sentence or even help you brainstorm ideas when you have writer's block. It's kind of like having a personal writing coach on your laptop.
And it goes way beyond just writing. AI is creating a learning experience that's totally personal. So think about a learning app. It doesn't just give everyone the same exact quiz. The AI is analyzing your answers as you go. If you ace a question, it'll challenge you with something harder. But if you're struggling, it'll give you an easier problem to help build your confidence and your skills. It's like a personal tutor that knows exactly what you need, right when you need it.
And it doesn't stop there. Imagine getting instant feedback on your essay draft so you can make it better before you have to turn it in. That's AI. And at the same time, AI helps teachers out by checking for things like plagiarism, which just helps make sure the classroom is a fair place for everybody.
So we found AI in our homes, we found it in our schools. Let's kind of zoom out for a second. What's the big picture here? What's the whole point of having all these smart systems working all around us?
This quote, I think, really nails it. The goal of all this everyday AI isn't to be flashy or futuristic. It's to, quote, anticipate your needs and simplify your day. It's all about making the boring, routine stuff smoother so you can free up your brainpower for the things that really matter.
So yeah, from the music you listen to the homework you do, that hidden AI is pretty much everywhere. And honestly, this is just the beginning. So the real question to think about is, what comes next? What part of your day do you wish was just a little bit easier? Because I can almost guarantee you, that's probably where AI is going to show up next.